What's up, people? This is Victor Isibor once again, back on the review. You're welcome to my YouTube channel if this is your first time, and to my returning subscribers and viewers, salute. Like in the military, it's a pleasure having you back on this YouTube channel. First things first, let me say this. This is my account on Boomerang. All right. I actually registered on Boomerang. But what I have not done is to buy a package or to put in any money. All right. So this is to tell you that this video is not meant to bash Boomerang or say trash about Boomerang or criticize Boomerang unfairly. This is an unbiased analysis of the situation Boomerang has found itself. All right. It's a project that I was interested in, but I did not do exactly what every other person did. Now, that's point number one. Now, let me make my point number two. Point number two is you guys that are fans of Boomerang, please do not try to shut me up, okay? Because history repeats itself. There was an arbitrage platform, that existed of African origin. The CEO was an African, and he had a group of loyalists who loved the project. When I criticized the project, they all came after me and criticized me. Now, when everything I said came to pass, they are back in my DM now asking me to assist them to recover their money. But that is like medicine after death and crying over spilled milk. It's too late already. So when we criticize projects, it's not because we want the project to fail. As a matter of fact, on the contrary, it's because we want the project to do better. Because when the founders see videos like this, they want to sit up and do better. Okay, so this is a constructive criticism. Now, everybody has been waiting for Boomerang to finally launch. All right, and the launch date keeps getting pushed back. Now, while I understand that tech is a very complex thing, okay? When you make adjustments, you meet glitches and challenges along the way, then you push back the launch date. I do not have any problem with the glitches that Boomerang is having. It's normal when you're trying to develop the architecture of a technology or an algorithm, I understand. But this is what I have a problem with. If I were to come to you guys watching this video and say, you know what, I sell cars. Yes, I'm a car dealer. Then you come to my car shop and you see that I have no cars. Yet I am asking you to bring money that the cars are coming. Don't worry. For those that pay for my cars now that I do not have any cars in my car shop, if you pay for one car, you will get two cars by the time the cars arrive. And for those of you that are waiting for the cars to arrive, when the cars arrive, if you pay for one car, you will get just one car. But for those that have faith in me and they pay for one car before they see any car, they are going to get three in return. So for all you doubting Thomases, you're just going to get what you pay for. While those that pay before I open up, they are going to get more. Now, people now decide to, take me for my word. They pay for one car, they are expecting three cars. Then, when is the arrival date of the car? I keep pushing it forward. Oh, there are challenges. The cars cannot arrive yet. Oh, there are challenges. They will arrive next week. I keep holding meetings, Zoom meetings upon meetings, making promises upon promises, telling them there are bottlenecks, there are challenges. It gets to a point people will get tired. All right? The reason I did not put money on my Boomerang account is because, I have had a conversation with a long-term business partner of mine who wanted to get me on board Boomerang. I told him, do not, he even wanted to fund the account. That's to tell you my level of transparency. You could have been seeing a lot of money here. He wanted to do it with his own money so that I could look at the project. I appreciate it. But I told him, don't put your money for me yet until I'm sure that these guys are going to launch, because I've seen projects that never launched, collected people's monies, claimed to have challenges upon challenges. At the end of the day, they never fully launched. So let them launch so that it won't seem like you wasted your money. He said, well, he is going ahead to buy packages. I said, well, buy for yourself. It is your money. But I do not want you to lose money on my account. So do not pay until these guys fully launch. And I've registered this account for how many months now? And the launch date keeps getting pushed back. Now, I got uneasy as you guys. Okay, so that's why I'm making this video. Now, let me now tell you what I know that you guys probably do not know. Make sure you watch this video right till the end. It's going to open your eyes towards a lot of things. I knew these things I'm about to tell you, okay? But I am not the type to judge people by their past because I know the only thing constant in life is change. I always like to give people a clean slate, let them write on it, irrespective of what I know about you or what I heard about you. All right. But if you now start to exhibit characteristics similar to what I know about you, then I start withdrawing. All right. Now, a simple Google check. Simple. This is not even a big review. Like, this is very easy. All right. I just went on Google and look at what I typed. I typed Chavez Anwar and Sam Lee. And if you do that on your Google as well, you will find similar results. Now, Chavez Anwar is the founder of We Are All Satoshi. They are the founders of, Boomerang. And they are the ones that own the native token of BTCC, or what do you guys call it. Now, I'm not going to open any of these videos or articles that came out of the Google search, all right? Now, read with me. Sam Lee and Chavez Anwar presenting Ponzi. I won't open it. You open it from your own end, okay? Now, let's talk about Sam Lee. I've reviewed Hyperverse and Hyperfund in the past, and also I reviewed Videolook. Anything Sam Lee lays his hands on turns to Ponzi. Yes, he is a serial Ponzi offender. Yes, everything. If you want to know, the easiest review you will make in your life is when you see a project and you see Sam Lee on the board or as the founder. Just know it's Ponzi. That's easy. Okay. Now, Hyper One, Chavez Anwar works with Hyper One. So hyper is a series of different scams. Hyperfund, Hyperverse, hyper, till you have hypertension, okay? Now, Stable Opinion Vice President, Chavez Anwar. Now, this search tells you that Chavez Anwar is the right-hand man of Sam Lee, the serial scammer. Now, all projects that Sam Lee has executed and taken away people's money, he was working hand in hand with who? Chavez Anwar, who is the founder of Boomerang. This is not me saying it. This is what is available, that if you searched it, you would find it too. Now, I'm not saying anything in this video. I'm just doing normal research with you guys, and we're just having fun. Now, a very respectable journalist that exposes scams behind MLM, this is the article you're seeing, We Are All Satoshi and Sam Lee. All right. Now, they say We Are All Satoshi fell under Lee's stable DAO Ponzi umbrella. We Are All Satoshi was. Lee ran fraudulent investment schemes with Chavez Anwar. This is an article. All right. If you did the same Google check, you will find it. All right. Now, scroll up. Another article on X. Sam Lee and Chavez Anwar presenting Ponzi Hyper One. Okay. Now, I believe this face looks familiar for those who know Chavez. If you've been on any of the Boomerang sessions, Zoom sessions, this is Sam Lee. We're scrolling. Now, Sam Lee's Videolook reboot collapses, withdrawals disabled. Now, read this. WAS, Videolook and WAS have both collapsed. Xavier Anwar ran Ponzi's with Sam Lee until he decided to cut Lee out and pocket newly invested funds. Now, what this particular article tells you is that WAS, we are all Satoshi, is not new. Okay? In fact, what you're seeing now, waas/Boomerang, is like a reboot because WAS, we are all Satoshi, it collapsed last year. I'm not saying anything, I'm just reading articles on my phone. Can I not browse with my phone again? I have my phone, I have my data, and I'm just reading. It's good to read, guys. I'm reading. So, you see, alleged Ponzi scam, $1.8 billion. Of course, everybody knows Sam Lee for that. All right. Keep reading, keep reading. See, WAS collapse, no Sam Lee. Okay, and if you read plenty of the articles again, you will find out that the BTCC is it's termed a shitcoin. Okay, a pump and dump coin that is integrated into the project. Now, I've read what I wanted to read. Now let me counterpunch. I'm going back to my WAS website and dashboard. Now, this information is something I had known even before I registered. So me registering for this project means that I am bullish about the project. I am hopeful. Okay. See, a lot of people do a lot of bad things in the past and they change and they become better. All right. Why some good people also change to become bad? That is why reviews are dynamic. I can call a project good today, and the same me will come back and say it's bad tomorrow. It doesn't mean I did a bad review when I said it was good. No. Things change. And that is why transparency is the best. Always check back with me. If I made a review and I say something is good, if it's an old video, feel free to slide into my DM to ask, is this thing still good? Because you must know that the reviewer is not the one behind the project controlling things. The reviewer analyzes situations and gives his submissions based on what is happening at that moment in time. Okay? So I may make a video and say this project is bad and not make another video again. Slide into my DM. Is this thing still bad? If I look at it again and I see they're doing something good, I'll say, well, this is something good now. Okay, the only thing constant in life is change. The delay with the launch of Boomerang is making people to start casting aspersions on the project by digging out the past. This past is not even long ago. We're talking about as recently as October 2023, a few months ago, of the CEO and the founder of the project. They are beginning to ask questions. I don't see any point people paying for a project that has not launched. What if it never launches? What if it never launches? Oh, for the promise of, oh, you will get more. You will get more if you pay early. Why are you in a hurry for people to commit their money to your project that has not launched? Now they have committed their money. It is glitch upon glitch upon glitch upon glitch. Now the glitches could be true. That's the way tech is. But it makes people to start panicking. If they had not paid any money, they are just waiting for you to launch. You can feel free to postpone the launch dates for as long as you wish, as often as you wish. They will not be bothered because they have not made any financial commitments. But they've made financial commitments and now you're struggling. They will start asking questions. So the purpose of this video is meant to motivate the developers of Boomerang to prove people wrong and prove history wrong by coming out clean, launching your project, and delivering. Now, another very important question: if there are these kind of glitches before you start, what is the guarantee that when all the people that want to use the project, all those that have paid for the project, they key in at the same time, that these Glitches will not be a continuous process that keeps happening. People keep losing money, people keep losing face, people keep losing trust. Now, that's all I want to say, guys. If you're looking for a project that is tested, trusted, a household name known by all and sundry, send me a DM. I'll show you that. While we wait for the ones that are yet to be tested and trusted to prove themselves trustworthy. This project needs to prove itself trustworthy. If you want a project that is already trustworthy, tested and trusted, send me a DM. I'll show you. In the meantime, that's all from me. Thank you guys. I'm Victor Isibor. It's bye for now.